What's up YouTube viewers, I'm Justin and welcome to my channel Just Gone Riding. Today's video I'll be talking about the Denali D7 Amber Lens Kit. If you have not checked out the video installation of the Amber Lens Kit, please have a look at it right now, over here. These are the stock standard white lens kit from the Denali D7 that I've taken out to replace it with the Amber Lens Kit. And just a brief explanation to you. Amber Lens kit are not snap-on kits. You have to remove the screws, access the front enclosure, and remove it. You won't be able to change the kit on the fly while riding. Let's say you encounter a bad riding environment. You would like to just change it on the fly between the Amber Lens kit or the yellow lens kit. You can't. Therefore, I really hope that Denali Electronics will be able to come up with a proper snap-on kit where you can just change it on the fly, depending on your riding conditions. In this video, I'll be showing you the nighttime riding impression of the Amber Lens Kit of the Denali D7. Let me know in the comment section below whether you would like to maintain your standard white lens kit on your Denali D7 or you would prefer to change it to the Amber Lens Kit or even to the yellow lens kit. For me personally, I would prefer the Amber Lens Kit because in Malaysia you will have heavy downpour and I usually ride up the mountains where there'll be misty condition and also a little bit of fog as well when you ride early in the morning. So I prefer to be visible, to be seen and to be safe. So therefore, I'll continue to put on the Amber Lens Kit on my D7. What about you? If you like the content of this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.